All right, let's unbox Humanize AI together. Check out this sleek interface. Very user-friendly. I've heard big things about its content magic. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Here's the product box. Simple but modern design. Opening it up, there's a quick start guide. The dashboard loads fast. No lag at all. First impression, clean, intuitive, not overwhelming. Let's try generating an article for SEO. I'll enter a topic. Best digital marketing tips. Clicking generate. Let's see what happens. Wow, the article appears instantly. Super quick. Reading through, this doesn't sound robotic at all. It's conversational, natural, and flows smoothly. Let's run it through an AI detector tool. Uploading the content, fingers crossed. Result? Passed. No AI flags detected. That's impressive. It's truly human-like. Checking for SEO optimization next. Keywords are integrated seamlessly, not forced. Meta tags and headings look spot on. AEO optimization is also built in. Nice touch. Let's tweak the tone to be more casual. Editing is super easy. Just select and adjust. Content updates instantly. No waiting around. Trying a long-form blog post now. Even with more text, it stays natural. No awkward phrasing or weird transitions. I'm genuinely impressed by the writing style. It feels like a real person wrote this. Let's compare with another AI tool. Other tools' output is stiff, obvious AI. Humanize AI's version is much smoother. It passes detection, while others get flagged. Great for content creators needing authenticity. Digital marketers will love the SEO boost. SEO professionals, this is a game changer. You can customize content for any niche. No more worrying about AI penalties. The AppSumo deal makes it super affordable. You get lifetime access for a one-time price. That's huge value compared to monthly fees. Support team is responsive and helpful. Frequent updates keep improving the platform. I like the transparency in their roadmap. No hidden charges or confusing upgrades. If you publish online, this is a must-have. It saves hours editing for human tone. You'll stand out from generic AI content. Honestly, I wish I found this sooner. If you want authentic content, go for it. Grab Humanize AI on AppSumo before the deal ends. Link is in the description below. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching my Humanize AI review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.